Hello. Hi. Apocalypse writing, but I will log out and play as a guest. Because I don't want to lose my new gear I just found. I just found, like, no rare items. Like, what was it? I don't know, but I told the guy he had GK6, I have a couple of those now. Other things, like, well, I got another, Luck Shack. Man, I haven't been on this in such a long time. Dead Zone Zach closed it down. Really early in the morning. Let's see how. Yeah, it's 5:01 a.m. That's right. That's right. Yeah, okay. There. Let's go. Is this a new map? No, this is not. I'm just gonna go in the prison, see what happens, and turn on my sound. Is my sound good? You know what I mean? But this sounds. Pretty sure it's a bear trap. Gets out my laps. Not a giveaway. I should have not dynamic lighting to the lights. That'd be pretty cool. I can't kill anyone at .22. Or, Ruger. Oh, what? Oh, yeah, Ruger. So, what kind of gun's name is .22 clip? What? I'm also making my new Minecraft video, my 3rd episode. I'll hopefully try to make those longer. Did I seriously just go around the whole thing and start over there instead of just coming right over here? Yeah, I did. Radda and AKM. I'm gonna get that AKM. It's pretty boss. And that's not good. That's not good. If I grab the AK, ooh, yeah, I don't need that anymore. Boop, boop. I'm pretty sure that guy didn't have a gun. If he did, he would. Okay. Mine. Oh, no. No. Oh, I picked it up, so. Man, you like to waste ammo, don't you? I'm just not. Usually turn around because it's dark and no, it's not. The only sight I will pick up is a Swiss or a rangefinder or a PSO1. The other ones I can't deal with. What I usually put on my gun is usually a Swiss with camo, coyote with ghillie, and hood with laser and a grip. One silencer, but I usually use like honey badger or something, so it's already silenced. Ooh, yes, yes. I love that glitch when I have heat vision scopes on, or I just look behind the trees and I see body parts moving, hang out with my TAC 50 and just yeah, like, I'm just not really caring on what I have right now since I'm just playing this just for fun right now. And my bank is full on my other account, so I'm gonna play on this. Oh, my dog just picked up. Hello. Hey, Wally. Oh. Looking for a USP in one of these barns. That makes sense. I woke up early for you guys. Well, not really, but. Ooh. Ew, I don't have enough for that. I'm doing one thing of slugs, so. Nope. Nope. Me and my cousin went out one time. I was on his account because he wanted to get some good gear when it was Dead Zone Party something. So I went on his account. He went on guest. He's got all this new stuff. He found at least 4 M107s in the graveyard church thingy. It's a church and graveyard at the same time. I'm pretty sure. Ooh, there's a guy I just fell from the thingy. I'ma just be going into town. No, I'm not. Nope. I'm gonna go to this tower. This is where usually me and my bro hang out. Right here. And then we put on our gas masks, go to the little area right there. It's usually barricaded with some people, so we usually kill them and come back over here. We usually hang out in that hut. There's usually barricade stuff in there, so we usually grab that and barricade that. And I go up here, grab all the scopes and flamethrowers from it. And apparently someone safe zoned right there. And someone didn't like that, so they... Yeah, I'm gonna get sniped. I don't care. Ooh! I've never had a TAC GO before. Man! I want my alternate account now. Man! How do I use this? F? Yeah. Is there ammo for it? There's ammo for it? Ooh! Man, I'm gonna be coming up here more often. I like it. I like it what I see. Yeah, I'm just gonna drop that and grab the script. I'm gonna grab it because I didn't drop that. No! Oh, poop. Yeah. Nah, who cares? Okay, so Ryan's gonna grab this bag. Safe zone. Put the stuff in my bank and then I'll reset. I don't like having broken legs. Man, I want to type. So yeah. Reset. I like having small bags, like a backup if I want to go noob and search for